Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of knowledge sharing. For today, we are looking at this question. It says m plus n equals to 13 and mn equals to 13. We should find the value of m and n. So here we are given m plus n equals to 13 and also mn equals to 13. Let's call this equation 1 and let's call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, this will give us n equals to 13 minus m, because when m transpose into this other side, it becomes negative m. So this will be called equation 3. So in this case, you can see from equation 1, we can substitute equation 3 into equation 1. So what we're going to do, we say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So in this case, our equation 2 is mn equals to 13. So as we said, we should substitute this into here. We will have m into 13 minus m all equals to 13. So in this case, we can expand this. This will become 13m, because m times 13 will become 13m, minus m times m will become m to the power of 2 equals to 13. We can move this to this other side. This will become 13m minus m to the power of 2 minus 13 equals to 0. So here we have the highest power of m as 2. So it is a quadratic equation. We can rearrange this. This will become minus m to the power of 2 plus 13m minus 13 equals to 0. So for us to clear this negative sign, we can multiply all through by minus 1. So this will become minus 1 times m to the power of 2 plus minus 1 times 13m minus 1 times 13 all equals to 0. So this will become, okay, this is minus 1 times minus m to the power of 2 become m to the power of 2. This is minus 1 times 13 will become minus 13m. Then minus times minus 13 will become plus 13, all equals to 0. So in this case, what we have there is m to the power of 2 minus 13m plus 13 equals to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. We are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of m. So quadratic formula is in the form m equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2 times a. In this case, our value of a equals to 1 and our value of b equals to minus 13 and our value of c equals to 13. So we are going to substitute this parameter into this quadratic equation. We have the value of m equals to minus b is minus into minus 13, then plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2, which is minus 13 to the power of 2. Then we have minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 13, all over 2 times 1. So in this case, m equals to minus times minus 13 will become 13, plus or minus square root of minus 13 to the power of 2 is 169, minus 4 times 1 times 13 will become 52 all over 2. So in this case, we have value of m equals to 13 plus or minus square root of 169 minus 52 will become 117 all over 2. So in this case, we can rewrite this as 13 plus or minus square root of 117 is same thing as 9 times 13. So we have here 9 times 13 all over 2. So in this case, what we are going to have there is m equals to 13 plus or minus square root of 9 times square root of 13 all over 2. So square root of 9 is 3. So we have the value of m as 13 plus or minus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is the value of m that we have. So we are going to use that to have the value of n. So as we are given m as given us as 13 plus or minus 3 root 13 all over 2. So here is the true value of m because it contains plus or minus. So m1 will become 13 plus 3 root 13 all over 2. Then we have the value of m2 as 13 minus, in that case we have minus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is what we have. So from here, we need to recall that we said our n equals to 13 minus m. So we have gotten the value of m. So this one that we said n equals to 13 minus m, we are going to substitute the value of m into this equation. This equation was equation 3. So here, the first one, we have that for the value of n1, which is equals to 13 minus 13 plus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is value of n1 that we have. We can have the second value of n2 is going to give us n2 equals to 13. For this other side, it become minus, we have 13 minus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is the value of m2 that we have. So in this case, what we are going to do is for us to evaluate this. Evaluating this, we have the LCM, this is same thing as 13 all over 1, where we have 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 13, we have 26 minus 2 divided by 1 is 1. 1 times this, we have 13 plus 3 root 13. So in this case, our value of, so this will become, we have parentheses here. So expanding this will become m1 equals to 26 minus times 13 will become minus 13. Minus times plus 3 will become minus 3 root 13 all over 2. In this case, our value of n1 equals to 26 minus 13 is 13. We have minus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is the value of n1 that we have. Our m1 is this, then our n1 is this. So for n2, we have the value of n2 equals to, what we are going to do is for us to bring this, put a denominator. When we have the LCM of these two is 2. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 13, we have 26. Then we have minus. Then 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times the whole of here, it becomes 13 minus 3 root 13. So this is what we have. Expanding this, become n1 equals to, okay, n2 equals to 26 minus times 13 become minus 13. Minus times minus 3 root 13 will become plus 3 root 13 all over 2. So in this case, our n2 will become 26 minus 13 will become 13. Then we have plus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is the value of n2 that we have. So from here, you can see that we have this. We can rewrite this and let's clean this. So we are going to separate this. We have the value of m1, n1 will become, our m1 is 13 plus 3 root 13 all over 2. Then our n1 is 13 minus 3 root 13 all over 2. Then for value of m2, n2, we have that our m2 is 13 minus 3 root 13 all over 2. Then we have, then m2 will become 13 plus 3 root 13 all over 2. So this is the value of n1, m1, and m2, n2 that we have, and it satisfies this expression. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.